All Fabulous Color has wonderful complementary products that will allow you, the colorist, the stylist, to impart best product within your client's colorized hair use, and also to be able to retail some products to your client for best at-home use. We will discuss some of these complementary products within the Lakme line. Technia is one of Lakme's wet lines. It is a shampoo, conditioning, and restructurizing line. Within the Technia line, we are going to recommend Technia Color Stay. Color Stay is recommended for maintenance of colorized Lakme hair. Colorized hair has been submitted to chemical oxidation color processing, so the cuticle flakes remain open. The hair is unprotected against some external aggravations, and it's dry, rough to the touch sometimes, and difficult to manage. So we want to be able to use Technia Color Stay products to allow the hair to retain color best, to keep the pH of the hair correct, to assist with photo protection on the hair, and help delay any pigment loss. The Technia Color Stay line can be utilized as your back bar product and also for your Lakme Color clients, their retail product. The line has a shampoo, a conditioner, and a treatment product. Black 2 or L2 is an instant two-stage conditioner. It has a pH of 3.0. It has a combination of protein derivatives and cationic active ingredients that are targeted to the most sensitive areas to bring them softness and conditioning. The L2 product is an immiscible product, which means that you need to shake it before you use it. It sprays on in a light, fine mist. It has a lovely scent to it. It is able to detangle the hair. It allows for shine. With a pH of 3.0, it helps to keep the cuticle tight, and it protects the hair and preserves the fiber of the hair from any external aggravation. L2 is used after shampooing and conditioning, as it is not rinsed from the hair. L2 would be a wonderful product to use at your styling station or at the back bar after shampooing and conditioning. It is also a wonderful product to retail for your clients, as it will help with many things that address color. The Master Care line of products are professional products. There are 3 professional products that you are going to choose to use to enable you, the colorist, to deliver coloring results as expected. We will start with the Master Care Tonic, which is the first tube to the left. It is the white tube. Each of these tubes is independent application. It snips off at the end with a twist, and you would do a single serve application. If indeed you had product left over, that top twists back over, and there's a little stopper on the very end, and you could put it right back into the product so that you could utilize the product for another client. So if we start with the Master Care Tonic, the Master Care Tonic is a dermal soothing tonic for the scalp. So if you have clients who routinely have some scalp sensitivity, or if you have a client that you are going to utilize lac blonde on the scalp, or possibly collage clair or high lift blondes, it would be advantageous for you to utilize the Master Care Tonic prior to the application. The Master Care Tonic would be applied to the scalp and not rinsed off. The coloring product or the bleaching agent would be applied directly over it. It is applied whenever it is necessary to calm any sensitivity or stress to the scalp. It instantly provides a pleasant sensation of comfort and well-being. It can be applied prior to your color service or your bleach service, and it can also be applied after the product is shampooed and conditioned out. So you can choose to use it before, you can choose to use it after, or you can choose to use it both before and after. Each time you would use it, it is applied to the scalp. You do not rinse the Master Care Tonic from the hair. Secondly, we have Master Care Lotion. Master Care Lotion, the one in the middle, the green tube, is for porosity equalization. When you have a client who has a variety of porosity in the hair, For example, possibly a client who has pre-lightened their hair and now possibly they want to go darker with the gloss line. We know that if the porosity of the hair is not equal, we will have a variety of abilities for the color to make deposition in the hair and a variety of abilities for the hair to retain the color. Utilizing the Master Care lotion previous to the application of gloss would allow us to even the porosity, which would give us better color application and greater color retention. The lotion is for porosity regulation, and it is applied to excessively porous hair before the technical treatment. It again is not rinsed from the hair, so the color service would go directly over it. Last in our Master Care series of products, the blue tube, is Master Care Oil. Master Care Oil is a hair restructurizing oil. It can be used prior to the intent of a color or bleaching service, or it can be used after having received a color or bleaching service. It is utilized whenever it's necessary to nourish, hydrate, or moisturize the hair. The Master Care Oil is definitely removed from the hair prior to the color or bleaching service. It is the only of the Master Care series of products that is not left in the hair. It is a treatment, so it is applied to the hair is washed, the hair is towel dried, the Master Care Oil is applied, it will remain in the hair for 10 to 15 minutes, and then the Master Care Oil is going to be removed from the hair. If you are doing the Master Care Oil service post treatment of color or bleaching, you would again do the same thing. You would apply it, you would allow it to process in the hair, and then you would remove it from the hair. The Master Care series of professional products within the Lakme line allow you, the colorist, control of what you are doing to ensure that scalp irritation is not an issue for your clients, to ensure that porosity levels are equalized, and to ensure that you have created healthy, nourished, moisturized hair either before your technical services or thereafter.